Manufacturing challenges present in the operating environment. 1. Rapid technological advancements necessitate continuous investment in automation, digitization, and upskilling of the workforce to remain competitive in the evolving manufacturing landscape. 2. Global supply chain disruptions, such as trade conflicts, natural disasters, and pandemics, highlight the need for resilient and agile supply chain strategies to mitigate risks and ensure continuity of operations. 3. Increasingly stringent regulatory requirements and compliance standards pose challenges for manufacturers, necessitating robust quality control, safety protocols, and environmental sustainability measures. 4. Escalating raw material costs and price volatility present challenges in managing production costs and maintaining profitability, requiring efficient procurement strategies and cost optimization measures. 5. Shorter product life cycles and demand for customization require flexible and adaptable manufacturing processes, agile production systems, and rapid product development capabilities. 6. The shift towards sustainable manufacturing practices and increasing consumer demand for environmentally friendly products impose challenges in implementing eco-friendly manufacturing processes and achieving sustainability goals. 7. Skill shortages and the need for a highly skilled workforce create challenges in attracting, training, and retaining talent, requiring investment in workforce development and effective talent management strategies. 8. Intellectual property protection and the risk of counterfeiting and piracy pose challenges in safeguarding innovations, technologies, and brand reputation, necessitating robust intellectual property management strategies. 9. Market saturation and intense competition require manufacturers to differentiate their products through innovation, quality, and customer-centric approaches to maintain market share and profitability. 10. Cybersecurity threats and the risk of data breaches and intellectual property theft require robust cybersecurity measures and risk mitigation strategies to protect sensitive information and maintain business continuity. 11. Changing consumer preferences and the rise of e-commerce demands seamless integration of online and offline channels, omni-channel capabilities, and personalized customer experiences. 12. Complex global trade regulations, tariffs, and trade barriers necessitate comprehensive understanding and compliance to ensure smooth international trade operations and minimize disruptions. 13. Geopolitical uncertainties and trade conflicts create challenges in managing global manufacturing operations, necessitating proactive risk assessment, localization strategies, and alternative sourcing options. 14. Product quality and safety expectations are increasing, requiring stringent quality control measures, adherence to international standards, and effective recall management protocols. 15. Maintaining ethical and socially responsible manufacturing practices, including labor standards, fair trade, and responsible sourcing, poses challenges in ensuring supply chain transparency and ethical business conduct. 16. Energy costs and environmental impacts drive the need for energy-efficient manufacturing processes, renewable energy adoption, and sustainable waste management practices. 17. Adoption and integration of advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, IoT, and robotics, present challenges in terms of technological readiness, data security, and workforce upskilling.